friends and family and YouTubers. Today I'm going to take you on a great adventure. We're going to do a cross country today to Brooksville from Kpie, Florida. I'll show you more on this route, but I'm going to introduce to you guys a little project I'm doing for the school I work at where I teach people how to fly. We're going to do a once a week video series called What the Aviation. Now, it's going to be about maintenance, school, anything that has to do with aviation. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that, and then I can show you guys a little bit what I do, and maybe you guys will like it, and some people might want to sign up to go fly. Who knows, or just come by, hang out with us at Clearwater Aviation. We like to have people come hang out and eat popcorn, drink coffee, talk shop. Some of them hopefully will be good for some people on here. Others probably won't care. But it's going to be a cool little fun video program that I'm going to do for my school, the place I work at. And, I don't know, just to have fun. We'll see how it goes. But today we're going to do our flight with a student. She has to do her cross countries before she does her solo cross countries. And then we're going to move on and she's going to fly to Venice Beach and go from there. Hopefully she gets that done soon. But for now, let's show the intro.
Cross runway 1 right. Juliet, Echo, cross 1 right. Yankee Victor 2780, are you near Foxtrot 2 or Romeo 3? Yankee Victor 2780, vectors for runway 1 left.
Got my tea, ready to go, walking out to the plane. I'm gonna go check the fuel and see how it looks, uncover the plane, and we'll have her do her flight planning and her briefing. A little bugger right there. 5-1 Papa Charlie. One of our cicadas and flight across to Brooksville. Let's see what she's doing. Hopefully she's done. Are you done down there? Alright, now we're doing the pre-flight. Walking around. She's yelling at me. Checking the plane. Making sure all lights work. And they do. Lap's good. Later looks solid. Rudder looks good. All the bolts are in order. It's good.
Ground 10 Pico 501 Papa Charlie at Clearwater Aviation at the back door with information X-ray ready to taxi.
10 Pico 1 Papa Charlie, hold position. There's a Cessna inbound through the back door as well. It's going to be a couple minutes.
Hold position 501 Papa Charlie.
It's another beautiful day. It should be smooth all the way there. I hope.
Fuel to full sync, 15 minutes. Student pilot looking at it apart. Gate locked.
467 Alpha, same ground runway 36 at Alpha 6 intersection, taxi via Alpha.
St. Pete Tower, Archer 467 Alpha, holding short runway 36 at Alpha 6, ready for departure.
Clear and clear.
Archer 467 Alpha, St. Pete Tower, runway 36 Alpha. Live and wait, traffic cross. Traffic is departing downfield.
Runway 36, line up and wait, 67 Alpha.
St. Pete Tower 4558 Fox, all done. 150 heading to our next
360
location.
and we're good.
5 Fox, Roger, understand 150 heading and how many miles?
Airspeed's alive.
58 Fox,
40.
miles, present heading.
45. 50.
58 Fox, Roger, proceed on course.
55.
58 Fox, over.
60.
Archer 67 Alpha, runway 36 Alpha 6, clear for takeoff, left
There
turn
you
out.
go. Beautiful takeoff.
Runway 36, clear for takeoff and left turn out, 67 Alpha.
Archer 478 Alpha, block 1200.
Block 1200, 478 Alpha, sorry.
What happened?
I was just...
Oh, I done the brakes.
Departure.
Contact departure 501 Papa Charlie. Departure is 125.
St. Pete Tower, do you want 5 Nova Bravo and left turn?
5. It's Tampa approach, Tampa, I got it.
Tampa approach 20.
Can I call St. Pete radio to open up my flight plan?
November 1 Papa Charlie, I'll have that for you in a moment. Flighting 010, and you can climb to your VFR requested altitude. Your radar contact 5 miles northwest of St. Pete. Pass behind you. Let me know prior to climbing. And what's your type aircraft? I lost all the information on you.
Yeah, we're on Cessna 185, 58 Foxtrot.
Roger.
3000-2010 Whiskey.
There's Tarpon Lake.
Right.
Now we're level at 3,500. Cruising along. Technically, we're over Odessa.
November 0 Tango Echo, traffic's 11 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, indicating 2,500.
And she is doing all of her checks.
We'll stay here at 1900 for now.
Hitching fuel and
November 1
going through.
Juliet Whiskey, you're 5 miles from Sones. Turn left heading 0.
Alright, we're coming into Brooksville. About 1,000 feet right now. We're going to be entering our right midfield downwind for runway 9. There it is right over there. And see how it goes. Alright, there is Brooksville. Enter right downwind, and then we're going to come and land. Alright, let's see how your landings go.
That's not flaps.
Take that route, take that route. Alright, Brooksville, we came and conquered.
I'm gonna switch the fuel tanks.
And found a possible plane. There it is. Exactly what we're flying. There's Brooksville, American Aviation's over there. Looks like a lot of international students.
Throttle full.
And here we go. Alright, here we go. Runway 3, Brooksville.
Airspeed's alive. 40. 45. 50. 55. 60. 65.
He's probably going to keep us on this frequency until we get out of his airspace, okay?
Got it.
It's clear enough to see downtown Tampa. Oh, it's hard to zoom in.
You are turn left heading 0. Take that left turn heading 060. 060 48728. Alpha November 236, contact approach on 118.5.
On ground control, 121.9. Notice, Chairman, use caution for a temporary crane 1/4 of a mile west of the airport. Runway 23.
6, runway 4.
Alright, now we're back to
Clear
St.
south to
Pete.
go, runway
St.
4,
Pete is right out here. And we're going to enter at left base runway 4, and then we'll come and land, and that'll be it.
Archer 8-5 Alpha, turn base, following Tampico, 1 mile final, runway 4, clear to land.
Number 2, following traffic.
Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 36 at Alpha 5. 786 Alpha.
Shaman 4 November Alpha, contact Albert Wooded 127.4, good day.
Over to Alpha Wooded for 5 November Alpha, have a day.
Archer 86 Kilo, foreign Archer traffic on a mile final at 600, do you have them in sight?
Search in 86 Kilo.
86 Kilo, roger, I'll call your base.
You call the base 86 Kilo. Kilo has that traffic.
Roger. Papa Charlie, roger. Turn left to Golf 2, and no delay, traffic short final. Turn left to Golf 2, ground point 9.
Left at Golf 2, contact ground 51 Papa Charlie.
Yes, sir, we got on the site 47 Alpha.
And we are back. That's
Flaps
it
up.
for today.